Are you still struggling with your tapers? Well, watch this video because we're gonna go step by step. Start by balding out your client and then start with your lever open. Next, we're gonna close the lever and attack that bottom line. It should come off pretty easy. With your lever midway, you're gonna go up midway up this section and it should already start looking blurry. And with the number 3, we're gonna go ahead and clean up our surface and set our foundation. And with the half guard lever open, we're gonna start blending out that line using our corner and hitting any dark spots that we see. With the lever midway, we're gonna continue hitting up that line and we're not gonna go higher than the lever open just to respect our guidelines. And with the lever closed, we're gonna attack that bottom line. It shouldn't be anything left, but make sure you use your corners. And with the 1.5 guard, we're gonna make sure we corner flick that line out, making sure that we make it blurry and we have a transition from bald to hair. And with my broken 0 guard, I'm just gonna go in there and detail. I use the right side when I don't want to dig in too much, and I use my broken side when I want to dig in just a little bit more. And with some thinning shears, we're just going to go ahead and keep attacking dark spots and any leftover bulk that we didn't pick up with our guards. This step right here is mandatory. And with the sharpest trimmers in the market right now, with the Supreme Recharge, I go in ham, I go in hard, making sure I start from the middle to the right, and then I repeat the process, and then making sure I shave up my customer real good. And the foil shaver is a must. If you want to book a one-on-one barber class or you want to book an appointment, click the link in the bio. I'm located in Gardena, California.